What are the key reasons that people are moving now? Hi, I'm Tami Holmes with Tami Holmes Realty. There are many reasons why people need to move. Some people have had a change in their personal lives that require a change in their housing situation. For instance, they may need to relocate due to a job. Or maybe their family is growing and their current house just is not big enough. On the flip side, maybe they're retiring and they actually want less space to maintain. Or they're going through a divorce and need a fresh start in a new place. Can you relate to any of these situations? Whatever it may be, if there's something in your life that has changed, you may need to make a move. So let's talk. We have probably helped other people through the same situations that you have, and we're here to help you too. Call us today at the Tami Holmes Team. Our number is 1-800-722-2585.